Yeah, that'll work.
Okay. So look at this.
There's only one.
Like a backup in case this doesn't work. Oh, there's Jason mask too.
Technically, I mean, yeah, that'll work. You could just put it right there and put it on your face.
It's not Halloween, is it?
Sometimes you say shit and I just feel like hitting you on the head.
All right, everyone. Hello there.
Hi.
We are here today to do a Twack hack, which is do-it-yourself hazmat suits. And then we are taking them out into the wild to see how effective they are.
How to combat the COVID-19 virus or disease.
Yes. To stay safe during the pandemic when you have to go get those bare necessities.
Like toilet paper.
Like toilet paper.
By the pallet.
Or hand sanitizer.
Yeah, by the 5-gallon bucket.
Yep. Which, believe it or not, only costs $4. So, you can't go wrong with it.
Can't go wrong.
Right?
Right?
I mean, what's the worst thing that could happen if you're just spending $4, right?
Worst thing that could happen, you get coronavirus.
But besides that, you can't go wrong with it. So, you're probably wondering, how are you going to make this $4 hazmat suit? Well, we are going to use ponchos. We also got our matching mask.
Styling too.
Exactly. We got some tape, and we also got some gloves. We got glow sticks.
Oh yeah, gotta have those.
And then of course, you're gonna need some toilet paper.
And we're basing this on solid science, I'm sure.
I recently watched a bunch of people fighting over toilet paper, and that is when we found out that you can make a makeshift mask out of toilet paper.
And that's why people bought all the toilet paper up?
In Asia.
Oh,
Not
in Asia.
here.
Why'd they do it here?
They're just crazy.
That's what I figured.
Yeah. I mean, you could probably use like 2 or 3 and it'd be a little safer, but all you need is one if you don't really care how well this works, which, side note, not guaranteed that actually works. We're not guaranteeing anything.
Right, that too.
So we're gonna get this poncho out, and this is gonna be like the suit thing.
Yes.
So there is a hood somewhere on this. And what we are going to do is we are going to tape the hood onto the mask.
Yes.
We're gonna put the toilet paper on the inside where our mouth and nose goes. Get some toilet paper. We gotta put some in there.
What about using like a bleach wipe? Probably poisonous, huh?
Breathe in a bleach wipe.
Yeah, sure, why not? I breathe in worse.
Also, I didn't do this in the video, but you do want to spray these with some type of sanitizer after you buy them. All right, so you gotta tape that shit in there and make sure that it's sealed tight, because remember, if there's openings, the virus can get in.
Yep, it doesn't seal up around your face. You're fucked.
We probably also should have used hand sanitizer before we touched all this stuff that was going to go on our face, but we're not that worried about it, obviously, so
Alright.
yeah.
Speak for yourself. I use bleach wipes right before you got here.
So once you got it all sealed in your mask like this, yeah, I have it taped all over. It's all around the toilet paper, and the toilet paper is completely covering all these holes right there. Ignore the eye sockets.
Yeah.
You want to make this fit around the mask so that nothing gets in. So you want to tape it nice and good and just seal it in. What matters is that there's no holes, so the virus cannot get in through the plastic, I think. Is there any science behind that one? I don't know.
I'm pretty sure, probably, yeah.
I don't know.
Hey,
we're not taking credit for anything else.
As an alternative, if you got a little bit more of a budget, they sell Tyvek jumpsuits at Home Depot that are about $8 a piece. The Tyvek is the same material as Gore-Tex is made out of. So like water molecules can't get through it. I think viruses are maybe somewhere
So
around that
for
size.
for the cost of one of those suits, we got 2 of these.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying. If you're really worried about, that might be a better,
Okay.
a less permeable material, possibly. I have no idea what I'm talking about, so there is that. I don't know how small a virus is.
Virus is very, very
Compared to,
small.
yeah, it's microscopic, but
Yeah.
I'm guessing a steam molecule is probably somewhat microscopic as well, so we'll have to get back to you on that.
Yeah, we don't know yet, but we will find out for you.
Yeah, well, sure.
Eventually.
Yeah, we'll get that.
It might be a year or 2.
Yep, it could be.
Could be longer.
Could be never.
Now remember, you want to seal this up as well as possible, so you got to get tape on every little part so that this makes a perfectly sealed thingy. It lets bad things in if you don't seal it.
And it defeats the purpose.
Alright, so it should end up coming out like this. See, I have my thing in there sealed on the back. And I have it sealed underneath as well. And I mean, with the gloves, we got most of it covered. Oh yeah, you also need long sleeves. Because I'm pretty sure these ponchos don't go all the way down your arm to the gloves, so that's a factor.
Indeed.
Alright, so...
It's mostly your mucous membranes you got to worry about, really.
Yeah, which
But
is
you got
your eyes, nose, and mouth.
Yes, indeed. And a couple other things, but if you don't got those covered up, you shouldn't be out in public anyway.
So yeah, this might take some time to make, but just think, it's $4.
We're fighting the pandemic on a budget.
Yeah, so these ones are blue, so they are for you.
Awesome.
You might have to crack them better than me. I'm not very good at cracking glow sticks.
Ever slowed down long enough to read the directions on the damn?
There's directions?
Oh, I have no idea. Probably not. Do not ingest contents. Probably hear the instructions.
So I guess these hazmat suits are only for ages 3+, because that's what the glow sticks say.
Yep.
Don't quote us on that. If you have a 5-year-old that suffocates in this, we're not responsible.
Yep.
Because we just warned you, you could suffocate. We're going to make it nice and clear that we are not taking responsibility if you decide to do this.
For anything,
For
ever.
anything.
Oh, wow. I like it.
Thank you. I'm feeling confident with my design.
I'm going with eyeballs and a smiley face, I think.
Also, even if you don't think this will work as a hazmat suit, it's definitely a good arts and crafts project for this
Halloween costume, perhaps?
shit. Halloween costume? Yeah,
Halloween
we got you covered.
You can write on the front of it, I survived the pandemic of 2020.
Using this suit.
Right.
Yeah, I feel like this is good for me, yeah.
Well, look at you.
Yeah, it looks like a heart or a butt
I'm going with the butt. You just leave mine like that.
with one sticking out.
Yeah, totally. All right.
All right, so we got our hazmat suits.
Yep.
I like it. The gloves. Where are they? I don't know where they went. The gloves are blue, so they match him but not me. But you know what? It's okay.
Time to shoot up.
Yeah.
Wreak some havoc.
Yeah.
Should we have a safety word? Oh wait, sorry, wrong show.
Yes, my entire family's perverted.
Oh yeah.
It's a little hard to get this on properly.
Especially sitting down.
Oh yeah, I didn't really think of that.
Obviously.
Oh, I have it on backwards too.
Yeah, and she's the smart one. Hey cousin. Let's suffocate. Suffocate. Arms up. Awesome. I like it. Here, I'll show you how this is done here.
There is a possibility of suffocating,
Yeah.
so please don't.
Yeah. If you see one of us suffocating, call 911.
In case you won't recognize me, this is what I look like now.
Right. Sexy. You look more like a Star Wars character.
I do want to feel like a Darth Vader.
Oh, Luke, I am your father.
All right, let's take a look.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I think we look pretty killer right now.
Yeah, my eyeballs aren't very even.
All right, so let's get to it, to finding some stores and stuff.
I feel protected.
I feel protected
I feel
too.
like
I feel very safe right now.
like I'm wearing a giant condom or something.
Right? It's like a giant condom.
But for germs.
But
It's germs. Lord knows I've been accusing me to dickhead enough times, so that works.
These are getting kind of warm though, especially
Yeah,
since I have that on.
Yeah, I was gonna say, he's trying to cook us. Next, we're gonna be Thanksgiving turkeys.
Well, I mean, you know the stores are practically empty, so I have to get food somehow.
Right. So she decided I'm gonna eat my cousin.
I definitely think we are living up to our black sheep name of the family.
Oh, yeah. This is just round one. Oh yes. It's only going to get worse. Know that.
Can you wear this during black sheep business? That's the real question.
Oh yes, you can.
Oh, Food Max does look open. Okay, good.
That's up until 11 or 12, isn't it?
Alright, we are ready to go shopping to get some bare necessities here at Food Max.